Supply chain management. The right time and place for our fresh product. How do I know what needs to be ordered? How can I ensure the delivery is on time? How can I plan and optimize stock? More and more often, European supermarkets require that suppliers provide adequate information about the products they deliver. This is important in view of the product's traceability, food safety, quality, efficient logistics, and financial handling. In addition, it benefits smart marketing and concept development. Little Germany, for instance, sets high demands when it comes to the information that is supplied. They insist that the GLN code on the prescribed label includes who the grower, the packager, and the trader is. In addition, it must include the lot number or batch number of the production date. And this is not limited to Lidl either. Other supermarkets will be following suit in the months to come. This will have many consequences for you as a supplier, because all the demands that are made require proper chain management, or in other words, supply chain management. If you do not have your supply chain management in order, you won't be allowed to deliver. In order to have a perfect supply chain management policy in place, you need to know what happens to your product further down in the chain. You even need to know what consumers want. Using this knowledge, you will be able to make sure that the right product is in the right place at the right time. Therefore, it is imperative that you remain in contact with your trading partner. During this contact, you will realize that you will not only be discussing the product, but also the information regarding the product. An efficient and effective chain can only be realized through a proper exchange of information. A proper supply of information can be achieved by applying the standards. The GS1 standards allow you to support a coordinated information management system. There are a number of standards that can be used throughout the chain, from crop to checkout. We will take a look at some of them here. The fixed and defining specifications of your product are registered in GS1 DAS or OneSync. This is a product file that not only records the logistic information, but also the packaging hierarchy. This means information about size, weight, and other information that a retailer needs to have when filling the shelves. Think of it as a digital catalog containing all of the relevant and fixed information about your product. Transporters can also benefit if they are able to refer to the fixed specifications regarding pallet, size, and weight. By including product classifications in your product file, all parties involved will have the same information at their disposal, and there will be less misunderstanding about the exact specifications of your product. You, the producer, are the person who knows your product specifications best. By registering these yourself, you will be able to ensure that everybody in the chain uses the correct information. By identifying your product with a globally unique code, the Global Trade Item Code, abbreviated GTIN, you will be able to follow your product throughout the chain. This code can be scanned or read by everyone in the chain, and it will directly be included in their registration system. This will quickly result in correct and reliable data. There is also a coding system for locations and organizations, the so-called Global Location Number. With this code, you can assign a unique code to your location, lot, glasshouse, and dock door. Agencies like Global Gap have decided to use GLN from now on. If you are Global Gap certified, applying GLN is mandatory. In order to create an efficient supply chain, it is important that pallets can be identified. To this end, the Serial Shipping Container Code, or SSCC, and the pallet label are to be used. The pallet label includes the most relevant information required for delivery and storage processes. With the SSCC, the pallet will be unique, and therefore it will be able to be traced throughout the chain. The SSCC is attached to the pallet label. Now retailers have made the SSCC mandatory, as well as the digital shipment statement that you use to inform your trade partner about the pallet's contents and the time that it is loaded onto the truck and leaves the site. In all business processes, it is essential that correct product data be used. This means that a lot of attention needs to be paid to the quality of the data. Retailers are continuously paying more attention to improve the quality of data. Having the product data in order is a priority. In the near future, suppliers will only supply goods if the source data is supplied via a product data pool such as GS1 DAS or OneSync. As you can see, having standards is a perfect way to support a good supply of information, and therefore they are essential for supply chain management, which in turn ensures that the right product arrives in the right place at the right time. This will help you to sell your fruit and vegetables, and ultimately that is what it is all about: successfully selling your product.